Imagine if you had a step-by-step process that would take you from where you are to where you want it to be. How valuable would that be for you? Imagine if you had a person to hold your hand and to walk with you on this journey, taking you one step at a time all the way to making your dreams into reality. And imagine if you could get wisdom that will empower you and elevate you so that you can create maximum results with minimum effort. Imagine how good your journey of life and success would be. My name is Vikas Malkani, and I want to invite you to the Wisdom Advantage. The Wisdom Advantage is a program, a process in 7 different steps that I have only taught to my private clients so far. And for the first time now, I'm making it available to clients and students and individuals around the world. In this online program, you can start to benefit in your personal growth as well as in your professional growth. Because the 7 steps that I outlined for you will take you from where you are, and step by step they will take you to making your dreams into a reality. The Wisdom Advantage is a 7-step formula to unlock your potential, to maximize your strengths, and to turn your dreams into reality. And this process has been proven with my clients around the world. It works. I have used it to take myself from someone who started out with less than $1,000 in my bank account to today, where my brands are award-winning brands. I'm considered one of the top coaches in the world. I'm called the #1 wisdom coach, and I count celebrities and royalty and champions in my list of clients. I have used it, my students have used it, and now it's your time to use it. This is wisdom that works. This is a formula that will shortcut your journey to success. And you will avoid all the unnecessary struggles and stress that happens along the way to success. Because my formula allows you and empowers you to create success without the stress. One of the greatest decisions we must make in our own life is who we walk this journey of life with. I invite you to walk your journey with me. The Wisdom Advantage is an online program that you can access and you can enjoy and you can benefit from wherever in the world you are and at your own convenience. I invite you to walk this journey with me. The details are below. Read the details and click on the button to change your life. Thank you very much.